How to speak English like native speakers. Have you ever wanted to open your mouth and speak English like a native speaker, but your brain suddenly goes blank? You know the words. You studied them. But when the moment comes, your mind freezes. I know that pain. I lived it. But here is the truth. The secret is not about knowing every word or every grammar rule. The secret is learning to think in English before you speak. And today, I will show you how. Do you still translate in your head when you speak English? Comment below because this might be your biggest block. When I first started learning English, I always translated everything. My friend asked me, "How are you?" And I understood it. But in my head, I first thought in my own language, then tried to find English words. By the time I answered, the moment was gone. That is why you must train your brain to think in English directly. Start small. Don't try to make big sentences. Begin with simple thoughts. For example, when you wake up, say in your mind, "I wake up. I am in my bed. I feel good." These small sentences are powerful because they connect your brain to English instantly. Maybe you are asking, "But what if I don't know the words?" That is okay. Don't stop. Use the words you already know. If you cannot say delicious, just say good. If you cannot say complicated, just say hard. Native speakers also use simple words most of the time. The goal is not perfect English. The goal is fast thinking in English. Ask yourself now, do you wait for the perfect word, or do you speak with the words you have? Be honest, because that answer can change your learning journey. Here is another trick. Talk to yourself in English when you are alone. Look at your room and describe it. Say, "This is my chair. This is my book. I like this color." When you practice this daily, your brain starts to switch from your language to English naturally. You will stop translating. You will start thinking. And that is the point when you begin to sound more like a native speaker. Are you ready for that change? Remember, every mistake you make is part of the process. Don't wait to feel ready. Speak now. Use English in your daily life. Step by step, your brain will choose English first. And when that happens, you will not only speak like a native speaker, you will feel confident like one. So here is your challenge. Today, for the next 10 minutes, think only in English. Describe your life, your actions, your feelings. Do it now. Your English brain is waiting. If this video helped you, don't just scroll. Like it, drop a comment about your struggle, and follow for more powerful English learning videos. Your journey starts today. Stay strong, stay motivated, and let's speak English like native together.